Hello, my name is James Hickey. I'm the founder of SD Connect Networking Group, and we are a networking group based out of San Diego, California. We meet the second Thursday of each month, and what we're going to do starting in 2023 is we're going to have a different type of meeting each 3 months. So the first month, which is January, we did a business showcase where businesses came out with tables. You showcased your business. About a third of the room showcased the business. The rest of them were attendees who networked and mixed and mingled with the business owners. The second one, which is going to be on February 9th, and it's the second Thursday of each month. Remember that, put that in your calendar. We're going to have just a regular business mixer where everyone just all meets together. You shake hands, you get business cards. We may do a little speed networking section of it so people really get to know each other, just a few tables, and have that going. And then the third type is going to be an entrepreneur workshop or entrepreneur mindset meeting and our entrepreneur health and wellness. And I'm going to have three or four speakers come out and speak about these topics. So it's a great way to get out and network and grow your business, connect with like minded individuals. We meet on the second Thursday of each month. We have an annual membership. It's currently $99, but I am going to raise the price on that just based on the supply and demand of this event. And then you can attend in person, and as little as $15, and it could go up to $25 depending on which event we're hosting. So I'd really like to invite you to come out to one of our events, second Thursday of each month. There's a link on this video here for you to go and learn more and stay informed about all our upcoming events. And I look forward to meeting you in person. Let's do some networking. Let's do some business together. Things are coming back, and let's all have a great 2023 and beyond. So thank you for your time, and I'll see you at the second Thursday of each month at SD Connect Networking Group.